Hello everyone, good morning. Today I want to tell you about Ethereum suffers 10% decline at $1,000. Rejection liquidation hits $100 million. So before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. In an extended price recovery, Ethereum ETH outperformed Bitcoin along with the majority of the crypto market, breaking above the $1,600 level for the first time in 7 weeks. However, the price of ETH swiftly suffered a sharp rejection from $1,000 and $6,000. Ethereum is now suffering its second consecutive day of correction, dropping from a high of $1,000 to close trading on Monday, July 25 at $1,000. Over the last 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has plunged by 17% to trade at $1,000 at the time of writing. The 24 hours price chart from Ethereum shows CoinMarketCap. The sharp decline saw over $100 million worth of Ether positions liquidated in the last 24 hours. According to CoinGlass, in addition, further data suggests that sentiment toward Ethereum is turning sour as holders move funds off exchange. Despite the flooded Ethereum communities, Ethereum continues to enjoy increased buying pressure from whales, with while address holding rising 22 and 26% in the past month. In addition, Glassnode reports that the total number of active Ethereum address has hit a 7-month high of 35 and 37, 518 ahead of the merge. Why you should care? The upcoming Ethereum mainnet merge is valid to not only change the mechanics of the Ethereum network, but also to affect the sentiment and price of Ether. After a governance vote leader finance and Ethereum, the token sale, which was touted as mean of the strength, the treasury of Lido all have seen half of the 20 million Lido tokens held by the treasurer. The treasurer sold to Dragonfly. The voting process, which concluded on July 25. The proposal has drawn intense criticism due to the Dragon Capital's lack of token locking requirements. If the proposal had vested the other 10 million LDO held by the treasury would have been sold as a way to cover operating costs for the next 2 years. Why you should care? Weighing in on the proposal, Kobe, the co-founder of Lido, stated His opinion that venture capitalists should stay away from forex, further claiming that the token sale would have led to crunching and looting. Leading crypto exchange Coinbase is reportedly the target of fraud by the US. So maybe just this. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.